Hi everyone. Today I'll teach you basics of zipping files and folders in Windows. Zipping files is a useful way to compress large files and folders into smaller, more manageable files that are easier to transfer and store. Let's get started. The first step is to select the files or folders that you want to zip. To do this, simply navigate to the location of the files or folders and select them by clicking on them while holding down the Control key. You can also select all the files and folders in a directory by pressing Ctrl and it together. Select the files or folders you want to zip. Once you have selected the files or folders, right-click on them and choose Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. This will create a new compressed folder with the same name as the first file or folder you selected, but with a .zip extension. If you want to rename the zip file, simply right-click on it and choose Rename. Type in the new name and press Enter. To extract the files from the zip file, right-click on it and choose Extract All. This will bring up a dialog box where you can choose the location where you want to extract the files. Click Extract to extract the files to the chosen location. And that's it. Zipping files is a simple and useful tool that can help you manage and transfer files more easily. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.